Hello, my name is Caitlin, and today I'd like to cover standards and conventions of website design. To start, I'd like to take a look at Duffy literature. When we visit a site, we typically expect to see the standard of a logo in the top left, navigation in the middle, and likely some sort of search bar or perhaps login information on the right. However, on Duffy, our navigation is a bit different. Rather than a logo, we have the site title and slogan placed between the social media links and the nav bar here. This position feels a bit awkward as the navigation feels cut in half. Social links that are up here could be added somewhere down here to just connect the two and make them more cohesive. And along with this, the social media links are incredibly difficult to make out. They're white against this light blue background and really hard to see. And when we navigate to a different page, we don't have any indication of what page we have clicked on, so we don't have any text changing here like it does when we hover. We have no real landmarks that serve to ground us, nor do we have any breadcrumbs that help us find our footing as we navigate through their posts. We can navigate to the previous and next page here, but other than that, we don't really have anything to tell us how we got here. In contrast, the Hamilton City Schools website has much easier navigation. They follow the standard of the logo in the top left. We have the navigation links in the middle, and in this case, we have both a search bar and call to action with the enrollment and employment section up in the top right. When we navigate through their pages, we are informed of which current page we're on with this little underline here. And we have some breadcrumbs here too that indicate us where we are and how we got here. So no matter where we go on their website or what links we may click, we have these clear breadcrumbs that tell us so we can go back to where we were previously and check that out. The core elements of the web page design never really change. They stay really consistent, and this helps the users feel a bit more grounded as they navigate through the different website pages. Comparing these two sites highlights the importance of design standards and conventions, especially in regards to navigation. If visitors have no clear sense of direction, they will likely just go back the way they came and leave the site altogether. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.